now we would like to monitor what we've just set up. We want to make sure we can see what our node is doing and then maybe even get alerted when something goes wrong. So if you go to packages, and we did install DMS, and that I think installed DAppNode exporter automatically. If not, find these in the Dapp store. Here DMS, and then install it. So that's one thing we need. And then apparently it's a bit hidden, it's not in the Dapp store. If you go to Prism, it tells you to download metrics tool. So let's install that. Advanced options, well, why not? Let's have a little look. Submit. Yes. There was no advanced options, it seems. Okay. Now we've installed that. Let's have a look at DMS dashboards, and then DAppNode Prism. Yes, and now it's showing the ETH price and is showing the balance properly, which wasn't the case earlier. So that's good. Just the last inclusion distance is not set, which is a pity, because that would be interesting to know. But anyway, I think that is already a pretty good dashboard.